Colored circles will designate what is done on each step. The first thing you do in step 1 is place your supplies caddy on the floor by the sink. Second and third, you gather the trash and all of the rugs and place them outside the door and out of your way. This bathroom has only one rug, but if there are 10 rugs, you need to gather them all and remove them from the bath. Step 2 is lawn dusting. We begin by standing in the first corner and following the colored circles. We have added colored lines and arrows to show you in what direction to move your lawn duster. The bright pink circle number 1 to the right of the door is exactly where you want to put your duster head, where the wall meets the ceiling to the right of the door. You will dust everything on the top, following the arrows into the corner and continuing as far as you can reach to the left. Then you will immediately drop your duster head down to the circle number 2 and dust in the opposite direction to the right, cleaning the bottom baseboards under the cabinet lip and around the corner as far as you can reach to the right. You do all of this without taking a step. Now you can take a step to your next corner where you can reach our blue circle number 3, where you want to place your duster head. Again, follow the arrow. Step 3 can only be performed in a dry bathroom, which is why we do it before using any liquid cleaners or water. Step 3 is vacuuming any hair out of the sinks and on the countertops, the tub and shower, and last vacuuming the complete floor. Cleaning is so much easier and faster when you're not dealing with hair sticking to your cleaning towels. Again, this step can only be performed if the bathroom is dry because you do not want water going into your vacuum cleaner. Step 4 is protruding mildew or soap scum areas